Bioweapons defense technology is becoming increasingly important as the threat of biological warfare grows in complexity and scale. Nations around the world are investing in advanced systems to protect populations, detect potential threats, and neutralize attacks before they cause widespread harm. These technologies combine artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and real-time data analysis to address one of the most challenging forms of modern warfare. Detection is the first line of defense against bioweapons. Advanced biosensors and AI-powered systems can identify harmful pathogens in the air, water, or on surfaces. These systems are capable of differentiating between naturally occurring diseases and engineered bioweapons, providing critical information for timely action. Early detection allows for rapid containment, minimizing the spread of dangerous agents. Once a bioweapon is detected, neutralization becomes the priority. Autonomous drones equipped with sterilization agents can be deployed to decontaminate affected areas. These drones use advanced algorithms to map and target contaminated zones efficiently, reducing the risk to human responders. In addition, portable sterilization devices using UV light or chemical treatments can be deployed to neutralize pathogens on site. Vaccine development is another key aspect of bioweapons defense. Advances in genetic engineering and mRNA technology have made it possible to create vaccines and treatments in record time. AI is playing a significant role in this process by analyzing genetic data to predict how pathogens may evolve, enabling scientists to stay ahead of potential threats. Rapid response systems are also being integrated into national defense strategies. Mobile biocontainment units can be deployed to affected areas, isolating and treating individuals exposed to biological agents. These units are equipped with advanced air filtration systems, real-time monitoring, and robotic assistance to minimize human exposure. Bioweapons defense technology isn't just about responding to attacks, it's also about prevention. Predictive analytics powered by AI can monitor global health data and detect anomalies that might indicate the early stages of a bioweapons attack. By identifying patterns and potential threats, governments can take proactive measures to prevent outbreaks before they happen. Despite these advances, significant challenges remain. One major concern is the potential misuse of these technologies. For example, the same tools used to counter bioweapons could theoretically be repurposed to enhance their effectiveness. This raises ethical questions and underscores the importance of international cooperation to regulate the use of such technologies. Another challenge is the cost of developing and maintaining bioweapons defense systems. These technologies require significant investment, and not all nations have the resources to implement them effectively. This creates disparities in global preparedness and increases the risk of unequal impacts in the event of a bioweapons attack. Bioweapons defense technology represents a crucial area of innovation in modern warfare and public health. It not only protects against the immediate dangers of biological attacks but also strengthens global health security against natural pandemics. As these technologies continue to advance, they will play a pivotal role in shaping a safer and more resilient future.